So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lock elements here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is upload any elements that you wish to lock in Canva. So just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to find two images here on Canva. One will be of a baseball glove, baseball, and a baseball bat. The other one will be of a cat rocking some sunglasses, and some fun little flowers in their hair. Now, if you just want to lock one individual photo, super simple. Just press on the photo or image or a graphic or whatever. Press on these three dots right here. I want you to press where it says more. Then I want you to go down to where it says lock. Now you're greeted with two options: lock position only or lock. Just for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to press lock. Then once that is done, the image is locked in and you can't move it. So if I wanted to unlock it, just press on the image, go to where it says unlock. Now you are good to go, and you can move the image anywhere. Now if you want to do the same thing to multiple images and lock both of them in place without doing it individually, first thing you have to do is just highlight both of these images. I want you to press group. Then once it is, group just basically means that you can drag and drop them at the exact same time. They are basically one. You can ungroup them now. Just for demonstration, or what you can do, you can press on more, you can go down and you can press lock as well. Now both of these images are locked in place and you cannot move either one of them. So hopefully this video helped in regards to showing you how to lock elements here on Canva. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.